If you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for Samsung Galaxy A37, then the answer is most likely yes. So let me quickly elaborate. If you do not have any power adapter whatsoever, for example, you sold your previous phone with the charger as well, then in that case, yes, you will have to purchase a power adapter simply because the power adapter is not included inside the box of the phone. It is not part of the included accessories. So yes, in that case, you need to purchase a power adapter. However, if you do have a power adapter already from your previous device, then most likely you can use it with your Samsung Galaxy A37. Of course, you might want to check the port, the charging port that we have on the power adapter, simply because the original cable is USB-C to USB-C, so you need to have a port that allows you to connect to this kind of cable. But on the other hand, if you already have a power adapter with the proper cable that has USB-C on one end, so it allows you to connect to your Galaxy A37, then in that case you probably don't really have to purchase a power adapter. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.